the Bluetooth to this, between all these different options, which is really nice. So here's an up close quick sound comparison. Here's my number keys. And here's my input. Hey guys, quick unboxing here of the AULA S99 gaming keyboard. Super fun. Manufacturer reached out, asked if I was interested in reviewing it, and I absolutely was. Once I saw the color specs, I was super happy. Comes really nice already, wrapped up here. And what I really like about it is the sound of the keys. Give you guys a little bit of that right now. Very soft response, nothing too loud. I'm thinking, man, if I was in the office, had to do this for a while, it would be perfect. Check it out here. So this is the actual keyboard itself. Great quality. Got a master knob here for your volume, which is really cool to have sliders, play, start, low voltage charging. So you kind of get the on off here. Nice little caps, all kind of system setups here. Flip it around. You've got your little USB connector here, the little flips here. You want to flip it up, which is nice. And then just the fact that this is Bluetooth, being able to carry this thing easily, charge it up, get rolling is something that I love. We'll get it set up here, see what else it actually has in here. A little rubberized gasket, and then they give you a really nice, good distance USB to USB-C charging cord. So I have had a problem a lot of times with some of these shorter cords, so getting a longer one, really, really nice. Really like that. So obviously you can see here, that is not a little stinchy cord. You can run this wherever. Kind of a cool retro color spec, honestly. The green and the white makes me feel almost like I'm in some movie where it's like Soviet era style, kind of the greenish, but I kind of like that vibe. So go ahead and set it up and give you guys another idea. So right here you have the option, if you hit FN, the control, then you go page up or down, just turned off the RGB, change the colors, change the brightness, take it down or up, however you want to. There's your blue, and then there's your green, then there's your strobing, all these different options, which is really nice. So you can actually just turn it off too. If you just hit this, just bring the volume all the way down. So if you want just a more minimal, or hey, that quick is going up and throwing it on again, getting it rolling. So here you go right here, just hook this up. You can see me typing away on my phone, all this stuff, 1, 2, 3. Having this as an option is so cool for productivity, whatever you're in an airport, you're traveling, you don't maybe have your laptop, but you have your phone with you and your keyboard. Super cool option. One more thing that's really neat is actually the ability to adjust the RGB. So you can see right here, start going in, typing all this, directly connected via Bluetooth to this. So here's an up close quick sound comparison. Here's my number keys. And here's my input. A lot louder, a lot more clicky, very smooth. Like, I'm thinking if you're in an office setting where you don't want to hear really loud clicks, this thing would be perfect. Spacebar's a little loud. So yeah, big time difference, really good difference in sound though. If you like the more soft, this one's definitely for you. I like on the J key, it's really pronounced on their dots, actually 3 of them. Over here, all you get is just like one little dash. I like for almost like beginner keyboard or whatever, really knowing where your F key is and your J for typing. You can see it extrudes pretty well. And again, I think it's just so cool that it has all these little fast forward play buttons right here, the back and forth. Really cool little option, I think, for your volume. If you don't want to be trying to tab it, like obviously you have it there, but it just looks cool having this rotary dial for the aesthetics of it all. Really like it. Overall, really happy manufacturer reached out to me. Love having and doing keyboard reviews of different kinds, all the hotkeys and things it has. This one is unique, just the setup, the feel, and the vibe. Really like it. Highly recommend it if you're on the market for another keyboard.